This is the most important board where the fine is mentioned. See, please arrange to take photograph. This is the board and these are the fines. So what happens here? See, this year then people phone Delhi. You understood? No? Should not happen. It should be resolved in Goa only. Understood? And in the meantime, you can also put the telephone number here and then make this book. And try to see, in the morning that there are no cigarette butts outside. Because see, if cigarette butt is found, that it is a fine of 200. Thank you. Doesn't matter. But now, your office has been here for last 20 years. This law is of 2003. Please take a photograph of this. And take it the other way, it is better. Turn your camera and horizontally. The Tiswadi Enforcement Squad for implementation of COTPA rules are out today, and we are checking for the violations. So today we have concentrated today on the various counters of the casinos on the riverfront of Panjim. Now you see this act is of 2003, and today we are very shocked to see that none of so far we have done already three of the counters, and we have found that not a single board is there. Now mandatory under section 4, there has to be a board warning all the people who are using this place, who are public, who are entering, and it becomes a public place because they use the counter eventually to go on the jetty to go to the casino board. So the board is basically, as you can see in the background, it says that it's a no smoking area and there is a fine accordingly. So today we have issued the challenge to them. We have given them copy of the leaflet also, and we have explained to them what is the procedure. Because see what is happening, people see some of the guests standing on the pavements of Panjim, smoking, and then they go and tell CCP that people are smoking. Then some people phone the helpline number. So we told them we don't want this to go on. You see, so since World Tourism Day is coming on 27 September, actually this is the responsibility of Tourism Department. But unfortunately, we have to go and do all this work. And in the last meeting which we had with District Collector, he has authorized us to finish this job as early as possible. So today we have taken up the task to visit and give them the notice, challan and everything. So that we told them in a week's time, you please see that all the areas, which are public areas, these boards will go up. See, this is a very important message to the tourists that Goa is not a free area for smoking. You see, this is a very important thing.
So, आता मला एक सांगा, charges कितले लागतात, fines कितले
See,
लागतात?
non-putting of the board, the fine is 200 rupees. It is not meant to collect some revenue. It is a kind of, आम्ही अशा म्हणतो एक शिटकावणी कशी. So they should take that as a thing, and some of them were delaying to pay. We told them, see, if you don't pay, then Mamladar has to issue one notice to the JMFC. It goes to the court afterwards.
So इथे आता प्रॉब्लेम कित्याक जाला? सपोज जर बोर्ड लागिल्ले आशिल्ले तर ट्युरिस्ट सिगरेट ओडचे नाशिल्ले.
No, that is one. Secondly, anybody can immediately complain to the manager whose name is listed here. You can see on the board, name, designation and phone number is given there. So what happens, it is meant to actually for the management to see that the areas which is in their jurisdiction should be tobacco free or other smoke free. And we want, see, Panjim being the capital city, if this is not done, it sends the wrong message to the whole of Goa. So tourists come and say, kuch bhi chalta hai re. Panjim mein my cigarette footpath mein, I am consuming cigarette. Nobody questioned me. There is no board. Main question they will say, there is no board. So through this system, what happens? It is a clear message is there to the smoker that Baba, I cannot smoke here and put the life of other people in danger. This is the concept of the COTPA law, to protect the consumers from becoming passive smokers.
Who accompanied you today? Who was there with you?
Today it is led by Joint Mamlatdar Sanjeev Singh Pulkar, who is recently taken over. Then we have a representative from the Urban Health Center, our sanitary inspector is there, and staff of the collectors, Mamledar's office is there with us.
But any fine if the offenders who do?
Yeah. So what we have done is for not putting the board, the fine of 200 rupees has been issued to each casino office. Understood, no? Now, if subsequently they find, they should immediately call the police. If they cannot control the situation and people are still smoking, they should call the police. First point here is to contact the manager in charge. That is the concept behind this putting of the boards of Section 4. Now, as per the decision of the district collector, we will be examining the boats also. But for that, we require special arrangement, transport the squad to the casino boat and all that. But we have told them, you start whatever the procedures, because then we'll have to go and do our inspection to see that the COTPA law is enforced.
This
on
is
the
only
casino.
for casino boards or for all the
It is
hotels?
all. See, if you know, every month we are covering restaurant. Just behind you there is a hotel which we booked last time. See, these are all under tourism department. It is their responsibility. They do not have a board at all in the hotel. Just behind you. So we are basically as an enforcement squad reminding people also that this law is now over 23 years old. You know, we don't have to repeatedly tell. When they take permissions for their business activity, they should get the compliance done from all authorities.
Okay,
That
what
is
is this procedure for the bus stands which are located in the Panjim city?
bus stops?
Bus
you mean?
stops, yeah, I mean. So what happens there when you see
No,
people?
so that's why even at a bus stop, now the bus stop which are going to be built by Smart City and all, they have to put the board there. See, this has been already informed to Transport Department, KTC, all authorities are doing. You understood? So this is a totally, we had never covered this area. Today we decided to cover to check exactly what is going on. And as after our inspection today we have seen, like one person was saying, no, we had brought the board. I said, if the board is there, then show Mamledar. No. So board was not there. Okay. Thank you.